Hello and welcome. My name is Samantha Gale. Hello and welcome. My name is Samantha Gale, and I'm back with another Canva tutorial video. My first video that I put up was a basic um, breakdown of how to utilize Canva, like how to navigate it. So if you want to go and check that, you can go and check that out. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a playlist with all of my Canva tutorial videos. This video is going to be about removing backgrounds from images, and if you just need a white background, or if you want to update the background to something different, more with more design, just based on what you're looking for. Most people, of course, remove the background because either they don't like the background or they just need it to be a solid color. So I'm going to get right into that. So I'm going to go ahead and use this particular image right here, just because it has a really bright red background, and you most likely won't want that, especially if your picture needs to go on a flyer or it needs to go on something where you just need the background removed. So it's pretty simple. You're just going to select the picture that you're going to need. You're going to hit edit image, and you're going to hit background remover, BG remover, and there you go, it's removed. So let's say, for example, you just needed the background to be white. You could now save this. You could title it here if you want and just say your name. And then you can go ahead and hit share, but then you're going to go ahead and hit download. You're going to download it as a PNG. You can even do a transparent background. So if you need it transparent, you can go ahead and select that. And then you're going to go ahead and select that particular page, hit done. Well, depending on if you have multiple pages in one design, then you're just going to go ahead and hit download. So that's how you're going to get the white background. And of course, you can adjust this. This particular sizing is an Instagram square sizing. So you can do full body with this, or like, for example, you needed to, you just want it to be, center it. Let's say you don't want to show the feet, you could do that. Adjust it like that, and you can download the same way and do it like that. If you wanted to adjust it even more, let's say that you just wanted to do, you don't necessarily want to cut off her fingers because it's not aesthetically pleasing, but we're going to do all the way down to almost to her hands. We're going to stretch it out, go like that. And then if you wanted to do it like that, just to make it a little bit bigger, you could download it that way. And so another thing that you can do is you can change the background. So let's say that you don't want a white background, but you want a blue background. What you can do is go over here to where it says elements. As you can see here, I've already typed in blue background, and you can go through and select which one that you like. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. You're going to go ahead and just put it and stretch it out, completely cover. And then you're going to hit position, and you're going to say to the back. So now you have, if you wanted it to be blue, now you have it blue, and you can go ahead and adjust it how you like. We're going to go ahead and duplicate this. Let's say that you decide, okay, I don't want that. We're going to go ahead and go like that. Hit it. We're going to delete it. Let's say you decide, okay, I want a pink background. You're going to just start typing it over here. Again, they have photos and they have graphics. You're going to go ahead and select one that you like. We're going to go ahead and select this particular pink one. Again, we're going to go ahead and stretch it out to fit the entire background. Hit position to back. And then now you have the blue background and you have the pink background, or you can do the white background. So you can always duplicate these. Let's say that you wanted to do multiple options. Just depending on what you're looking for, we can duplicate this and we can turn this one to be the white one. Let's see here. Delete it. And this one's going to be the white one. So we have blue, white, and we have pink, right? So yeah, there's a lot of things you can do with that. And of course, you can always also have solid colors. So we're going to go ahead and duplicate this. If you don't want to add an image or anything like that, you just want a solid color, you can just go up here to this little rainbow, and you can search. You can add a different color if it's not already there, and you can make the background whatever color you want. And you can, as you can go see, you can scroll here and you can go here to make the background whatever color you want it to be. So as you can see here, you can do it like that. You don't have to add an image over here. You can also just change the color. So now as you can see, we have blue, we have white, we have purple, and we have pink. So that's a different way. Another thing that we can do is, like, for example, if you just want to add, let's say for example, you just wanted to add stars. So we're going to go ahead and duplicate that. We're going to delete this and we're going to type in stars. If you just wanted some stars on the background, there's different things that you could do. Maybe something like this. We would probably most likely position this to the back, and we can add some stars behind her. If you wanted that just with the white background, you could do that. We're going to go ahead and duplicate it again. And you can duplicate this as many times. Let's see if you wanted just there to be stars right here at the bottom. We're going to hit position and we're going to say to the back. And you have that. You can have the white with the stars. So that's nice. So these are different things that you can do when you remove the background off your images. There's numerous things that you can do. Again, you can edit the color through selecting the page and hitting the rainbow, or you can get different backgrounds by going to elements and searching that particular color. Or if you want, it doesn't necessarily have to be about a color. We can say that we want a sky background, just whatever background you want to change it to. And we can go ahead and we can select whichever one we want. And we can go ahead and just edit this. Again, we're just going to move it, scroll down, position to the back, and there's that. So yeah, so there's anything that you want to search for that you want the background do, you can do that. And of course, you can always move her around, change the sizing of her, and that. So if we also, let's say that you wanted to give her like a little bit of a shadow, what you could do here is you're going to select her.
Yeah, so there was no cut during this time, so apologize for this part. Just go ahead and
Sorry.
ignore anything
You
that you
can
hear in this
select
part and
her
get right
and
back into this tutorial.
select her, and then
Again,
you
this
can
is real
go
life,
and you
raw
can
and
go to
uncut.
edit image, and then you're going to go ahead and put a shadow on her. So you're going to hit shadow, and so they have different options. You can put a glow, which is gonna make her entire body have a glow. And so you can also change the color of the glow. So because she has on black, we might not necessarily want to do black. We might want to do a white glow. So we can do that, and then we can change the intensity of it, the size of it, just depending on how much glow you want to give her. We can also do a drop glow. And again, if that's too much, we can reduce the intensity, reduce the blur amount. We have the outline. Wouldn't really, there's purposes for that, but we have the curved, we have the page lift, and we have the angle. And then we have also have like the backdrop. So yeah, that's how you, if you wanted to add a little bit of a shadow around here, you could do that as well. So those are how you would update, remove the background, and things that you can do to update the background. Hopefully this is helpful. And again, you can watch my basic Canva tutorial on how to navigate Canva